Good morning, dear children. Our chapter number 4 is going on. And today we are going to learn about the saints. The work of the Varkari movement we have learned in our earlier video. So let us start with Santa Namdev. He was a great saint of the Varkari movement. He was a skilled organizer and he used to perform kirtans. You want to see the picture of kirtans? These are the pictures of kirtans. He awakened the sense of equality in men and women belonging to all castes through the medium of kirtans. Earlier, these saints used to perform kirtans, bhajans, abhangas in temple every day in the evening, and they used to bring awareness in the mindset of the common people. That time the people had a very fixed mindset. They were orthodox. They were not ready to change their mindset regarding caste, equality, and therefore these saints tried to bring, or they brought changes in the mindset of the common people through their kirtans. So Santa Namdev went up to Punjab also. Some of his thoughts and verses are given in the holy book of Sikh, that is Guru Granth Sahib, and his work is unforgettable. Understood? Let us move on to Santa Jnaneshwar. Can you see these pictures? Jnaneshwari. Children, do you recite Pasaidan every day? Yes, we recite Pasaidan every day in school before going to home. You all know, even Jnaneshwari was written by Santa Jnaneshwar. There were 3 brothers and 1 sister: Nivruttinath, Sopandev, Jnaneshwar and Muktabai. His Pasaidan in Jnaneshwari uplift the mindset of the people. He also wrote Bhagavad Dharma and composed Amrutanubhav. Understood? Let us move on to Santa Eknath. Santa Eknath also wrote Bhajan, Gavran, Bharud, and he has portrayed people's life in his Bhavartha Ramayana through the story of Ram. Do you listen to the story of Ram? Do you know the story of Ram? Yes. He explained the meaning in Marathi. Understood? So this much you have learnt about Eknath. Let us move on to Santa Tukaram. Children, Santa Tukaram and his one story is famous and we have learnt in chapter number 4. Do you remember? Basically he was from Pune, near Pune. He belonged to Dehu. And he also wrote bhajans, abhangas, and his gatha is a precious treasure, precious one, important one for the Marathi language. Children, I would like to tell you that story that he drowned all the loan papers of the common people that people had borrowed from his forefathers, his ancestors, his father, forefathers, grandfather, and made the people free from the bond of loan. But in return, some orthodox people opposed the social awakening that had undertaken by Tukaram. They also drowned all his abhanga in the river Indrayani. But Santa Tukaram faced this opposition with great courage. Children, Santa Tukaram's disciples or the followers were of different caste: Mali, Vani, Jagnade, Kasar, Siurkar, Kulkarni. Among them, Gangaram Panta Mawar and Sandachi Jagnade. They wrote down the abhangas of Santa Tukaram. Let us see the work of saints that brought really change in the people's mindset. Saints gave the message of equality. They taught humanity. They preached people to live together, to spread harmony, unity, and love among the people. They taught how to live and face the foreign invasion. What is foreign invasion? I have told you in the beginning about the invaders, the foreigners who entered Maharashtra and India, like French, Dutch, Portuguese, Siddhis. So how to face such difficult situations? Who taught us? These saints only. Their teachings proved to be a big support for all the people. Their work created self-confidence among the people of Maharashtra. They taught the true meaning of religion. Next is Ramdas Swami, Samartha Ramdas. He was from Jam, Marathwada, and he explained the importance of physical fitness because he used to worship God Ram and Hanuman. So he told people about the importance of physical fitness to the people. He gave practical education and lesson in good conduct through his work like Das Bodh, Karunashtak and Manache Shlok. Manache Shloks are given in your school daily. You can open and check. He stated the importance of people's movement and organization. Through he founded the Samartha Sampradaya. He propagated the worship of Ram and Hanuman. He traveled far and wide, propagate his thoughts. Children, we have learnt about the political, social, cultural situation in Maharashtra before the times of Shivaji Maharaj. In this lesson, you know that our Maharashtra was under the control of Adil Shah and other powers. We were not independent. Even so, some personalities and streams of thought were dreaming of freedom, and among them, who was there? Shivaji Maharaj. So, we'll learn about Shivaji Maharaj in detail in chapter number 5. Till then, see you children. Bye bye children.